Hi guys, welcome to Network Coursera. My name is Rahul and in today's video we will see the installation of VMware Workstation. I have added a link in description using which you can download this setup or you can download it from the Google. Simply type VMware Workstation download, enter, click on the very first link, scroll to bottom and click on download now Workstation Pro for Windows. Click on save. It will start the download. I'm not downloading because I already have this setup. Close all. Once your download is complete, double click the setup. Wait for a few seconds, it takes some time. Click yes. It takes too much time, so have patience. I'm fast forwarding the video. Click next. Accept the agreement and click next. Check this box and click next. Next. Again next and install. Here also it will take time. I'm again fast forwarding the video here, so please have patience. You can click finish here if you don't have license. I have license, so I'm clicking license. Copy and paste your license here, or you can skip if you don't have license. Let me open. Copy, close, Control V. Simply paste your license here and click enter. Finish. It will ask to restart the PC. Click yes to restart the PC. Now PC is restarted. Double click on the VMware Workstation icon, shortcut icon. Okay, now click on help, about. As you can see here, status is licensed. Okay, so we have successfully installed the VMware Workstation. Now we will see the installation of Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. For that you need an image of ISO file. I will use this image for the installation purpose. It's an ISO image, as you can see here. Okay, I will use a different PC for the installation purpose. Okay, so this is my PC which I'm gonna use for the installation of Windows 10. Create a Click on create a new virtual machine. Next, I will install the operating system later. Click next. Windows 64-bit. Next, I'm gonna change the location here. You can use the same location as well. I don't have enough space in C drive, that's why I'm using a different location. Test. Okay. Next, define your size here and click on store virtual disk as a single file. Next, customize hardware. Adjust your RAM according to your PC. Click on processor. Enable this option here and click on CD DVD option and give the location of your ISO image. Paste. I have this image here and click open. Don't change anything in network adapter. Click on processor and define processor and close. Finish. Okay, we will now start the machine. Click on power on this virtual machine. You need to press any key here, and if you miss by chance, then you need to click on this icon here, Ctrl Alt Delete, and click on the blank screen, then press any key. Select your country, then next, click on install now. You can give your key here if you have a window key. I'm installing for trial purpose just to show you how to install. So I will click I don't have a product key. I will choose Windows 10 Pro here. You can choose whatever you want. Then next. Accept the agreement and click next. Click on custom. Install window only advanced. Okay, you can create partition here if you want. I will not create any partition. If you want to create partition, click on new and you can define the size. I am not going to do so. Click next. You can give the username here and password and then click next. Not now. So as you can see here, our window installation is complete, and that was all about the window installation on VMware. I'm gonna shut down the PC now. Window installation on VMware takes the same amount of time as we install on PC. Okay, now we will see some troubleshooting. We mostly get some errors while installing the window like this. This type of error we get mostly. So to resolve this type of error, you need to first shut down your machine. Click on shut down guest, then shut down. Okay, now click on edit virtual machine settings. Okay, now click on options and go to advanced, and check mark this BIOS option here. Okay, and click OK. Now you can continue your window installation without any problem. So that was all about the VMware and window installation. See you in next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling. Bye bye.